Hi friends, hi student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the 12th Geography, the book India, People and Economy, and our lesson is Population. Today in the lesson, we will discuss the linguistic composition, because this is a series of composition of the population. So this is the topic about the compositions of the population, linguistic compositions. Today we will discuss it, and we will also discuss other things. So linguistic composition means in India, the percentage of people who are living in the country. So this is very important things, because India is a land of different language and different religion, because the language which are living there in India, which are not very particular place which are living there, that is very important things. Land of linguistic diversities, because some languages which are spoken in the North India which are not spoken in the South India, and the language which are spoken in the East India which are not spoken in the West India. So that is the linguistic diversities. And Grison Linguistic Survey from 1903 to 1928, 179 languages was found there between the survey of 1903 to 1928. And 544 dialects in India, means a different type of the other sub languages which were spoken in India. But in modern India, from the constitution, only the 22 scheduled languages has been adopted in the constitution, means the languages which which are very important and where there is a lot of scope to survive this language. And many non-studied language also, means that language which are not studied language, which can be comes in this categories, means studied languages, because many of the languages which are also struggling to come in the list of studied languages. So Hindi have the highest percentage of speakers. If I discuss here, so this is the percentage of the you will say Hindi. This is the 40 to 41% speakers in India. And any language has not the distinct boundary. That is very important things, because this language which I have also told about it, that the languages which are spoken in the country, which are not very particular in the one places, and that is not very particular in the other places, because that is particular only that places where the language is origin or very formed. So linguistic classification, which we will discuss also in the table. So this table will be also discussed after this video, and if any kind of the doubt you can also discuss, because the languages which are spoken in the countries, which are very important languages, because you know very well from 1965, when the Tamil languages, Tamil peoples, they were just struggling for the promotion of English language. So there was the kind of allied people who were just supporting the English language. So the government of India had stopped this will say movement for the English speakers or their loving of the English, and they had used they had taken the decision not to use the English forever as a very single language, or as a to maintain the monopoly of the English language. So hope student you enjoy this video lecture, and if any kind of the doubt you can also consult with me. Thank you student to listen me and watching me.